21 Rules of Investing in Bitcoin. At the BTC Prague 2024 conference, MicroStrategy's executive chairman Michael Saylor stated that the price of Bitcoin could reach $8 million and even $24 million. This forecast was part of his presentation outlining strategies for long-term investment management in a highly volatile environment. In his speech, Saylor listed philosophical and strategic principles for understanding and investing in Bitcoin. He described BTC not just as a financial asset but as a revolutionary tool capable of changing global financial paradigms. Another speaker at the conference, crypto investor Luke Broyles, summarized Saylor's points in a separate post on social media platform X. Saylor's 21 Rules. 1. Understanding versus criticism. Saylor highlighted the existing divide between those who understand Bitcoin's potential and those who criticize it. He believes that people who recognize Bitcoin's potential foresee a shift in the financial paradigm before it actually happens. 2. Personal evolution. Reflecting on his initial disregard for Bitcoin in 2013, Saylor discussed how his perspective changed as Bitcoin's resilience and potential became more evident. His journey from skepticism to advocacy is typical of many investors. 3. Lifelong learning. Saylor emphasized that studying Bitcoin is a continuous process, given the multifaceted and ever-evolving nature of this asset. He particularly noted its significance at the intersection of global economy, technology, and regulatory frameworks. 4. Historical parallels. Diving into history, Saylor cited chaotic times such as World War II and the rise of communism in Europe, illustrating Bitcoin's value as a stable wealth store independent of geopolitics. 5. Equal opportunities. According to Saylor, Bitcoin offers equal opportunities unlike traditional financial systems, which he believes are inherently biased against the average person. In this regard, he presented Bitcoin as an exceptionally fair and transparent financial tool. 6. Proactive investing. He advised adopting a proactive investment approach, stressing the importance of thorough and deliberate investment in Bitcoin to protect one's financial future. 7. Ownership and control. Saylor stated that Bitcoin allows property ownership without third-party mediation, highlighting the importance of cryptographic keys in controlling personal finances. 8. Volatility and growth. Reflecting on Bitcoin's volatility, Saylor shared a personal anecdote about initially rejecting Bitcoin at $892 and later buying it at $9,500. He noted that everyone gets Bitcoin at the price they deserve and predicted that Bitcoin could reach $8 million. 9. Cautious investing. Saylor advised investing only money that one can afford to lose, emphasizing the harm of ignoring Bitcoin at this stage of its adoption. 10. Beyond traditional systems. Describing fiat currencies and traditional economic indicators as a matrix, Saylor promoted Bitcoin as a means to transcend traditional financial systems. 11. Corporate impact. Saylor mentioned that Bitcoin significantly affected his company's financial stability, illustrating the direct benefits of strategic Bitcoin investments for corporate finances. 12. Growth forecast. Saylor predicts that Bitcoin's compound annual growth rate will be 24% over the next decade, which could bring its price to $600,000 by 2034. 13. Solution to economic imperfections. The MicroStrategy executive called the current economic system flawed and saw Bitcoin as a remedy, describing it as a revolutionary technology. 14. Positive approach. Instead of attacking the existing fiat system, Saylor called for a positive approach, advocating for building a new system with Bitcoin rather than destructive resistance to the old one. 15. Universal utility. Saylor asserts that Bitcoin is intended for everyone, predicting that digital capital like this currency could ultimately constitute half the value of the future global economy. 16. Alternative perspective. Michael advised learning to view future technologies through the lens of Bitcoin. 17. Transformative impact. The speaker noted that Bitcoin is causing people to rethink their approach to money, value, and investments globally. 18. Long-term focus. Saylor emphasized focusing on Bitcoin's long-term potential, considering that its market capitalization could significantly increase in the future. He suggested that Bitcoin's market cap could rise from $1 trillion to $100 trillion, then to $300 trillion, and eventually to $500 trillion, corresponding to a price of $24 million per coin. 19. Respect for Bitcoin. He warned against underestimating Bitcoin's impact, stating that mocking this new financial technology is short-sighted. 20. Long-term holding. Saylor compared selling Bitcoin to playing against oneself, as it is a fundamental asset for long-term financial security. 21. Patient advocacy. Finally, the expert stressed the importance of patience and kindness when promoting Bitcoin, especially toward those who initially criticized or ignored its benefits.